Huh? But what just happened? Huh? What is it? Oh my god, it's ready. And I'm ready to wake up. Oh my god, what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Guys, we need to go to the airport. We're gonna get so late. Oh my god, we need to wake up. And nobody wake up. Ah! Oh man, we're so late. And nobody run. Ah! Oh man, no. What should I do? What should I do? More. I need to take a shower. And nobody run. Wake up. Ah! What just happened? What happened? We need to leave now. What are you talking about? We need to go to Japan now. Oh my god, we're going to Japan? That's great. Wait a minute. What time is it? We need to go right now. No more question. Run. Pack it up. Oh man. What? Come on guys. We need to do something. We need to pack. Yeah. Come on guys. I'm gonna get my car. Wait a minute. Do you have service? No. Alright guys, are you guys ready?
2 hours later.
Oh man, are we there yet? Yeah, we stayed there for hours. Yeah, actually, that's our mom's car. Guys, I don't care. I will drive, guys. And you guys need to keep quiet. Also, and by the way, can you put something on music? Fine, what you want? We want to play that music. Is called the Rick Roll. Alright, fine guys. If you say so, but you guys need to be quiet because we don't fit there. Fine? Alright, we promise we'll be quiet. Yeah, actually. And by the way, can I use the version? Damn it! Give you all, no one gives you down. Whenever you want, no one gives you You guys be quiet. You guys said that you guys need to be quiet. Now let's go. Damn it! You guys are quiet, all of you. Oh man, guys! What's the music? What is it? Watch out! You know what you're driving? No, what are you talking about, guys? Keep singing. You want, no one gets you down. Yeah. No one gets you. Never say goodbye. Yeah. Let's go back. Yeah. Hey, watch out! Oh my god! What is going on? Watch out! Guys, I think I don't know how to drive. Grizzly, are you freaking kidding me? Alright, guys, we're here. Yeah, we're here now. Yeah, we're in the airport. Yeah, actually. And the last time, you guys need to be quiet. Alright, fine. Oh, hi. All the tickets, we here now. Are you sure you guys are not late? Yeah, we are not late. Yeah, actually. I heard that you guys got crashed by someone. Because I don't know how to drive, so we here quickly. Okay. Well, anyway, so what now? I don't know. I don't know. So, can we get in the plane now? Sure, here's your tickets. Thank you. Well, I think we need to make a part 2. Wait, a part 2? Yeah, part 2. Oh, okay. Well, that's all. So, it's coming out for part 2 right now. Actually, right now. Can we cut now?